Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a new recipe. Ingredients are bell pepper, onion, and a slice of meat. You can choose any type of meat that you want. Here I've got pork chop. Now let's heat the pan, melt some fat from the pork as oil. Veggies and meat are sliced up. And let's put veggies in the pot first. Let them be halfway cooked. Here I have a lid to close up, make it faster. Preparing a tortilla wrap. If you like to serve it in a wrap. Now when the veggie is halfway cooked, let's put in meat slices. Oyster sauce. The sauce is about to run out, so I'm waiting for it to come out. Shaoxing cooking wine. Light soy sauce. Black pepper. Close the lid. Dun, dun, dun. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.